Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the toll roads in Jamaica and the expansion that's going on with them. Now the toll roads in Jamaica work well. They are very profitable, make billions of dollars every year, and so they plan to expand them. Now when it was first announced back in the 1990s that they were going to build a toll road in Jamaica, nobody knew if it would work. But it has worked and worked well. And it was actually the former Prime Minister, or Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, who was very instrumental in getting the first toll roads built. But this current Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, has taken the building of roads, the toll roads, to a whole new level. So I guess basically the former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson answered the question for everybody: will toll roads be successful in Jamaica? And so let's go through it. The toll road was to run from Kingston to Montego Bay, and then going through Kingston on the south coast to Mandeville, from Mandeville through Balaclava over into Montego Bay. So it goes along the south coast and then the inland of Jamaica to Montego Bay. And then you'd have a second road that goes from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Now tourism is very important to Jamaica. I think it's the largest industry in Jamaica. It's the largest earner of foreign exchange, and Jamaica buys everything overseas and imports it. Not everything, but a majority. So that's why those roads were built originally with that alignment to connect the two international airports and to get people to Ocho Rios, where you have the major tourist destinations: Duns River, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove. So they were to build a road, but then it was so expensive that it was decided to build it in sections. So Kingston to Sandy Bay was built, then Sandy Bay to Maypen, and then Kingston to Ocho Rios. Worked well, but it took time. Contractors changed, but right now we have the contractor that can get the job done in Jamaica, and that is China Harbour Engineering Company. So going forward, they will build all these major highways. And from Czech started working on these highways, no other foreign contractor has come in. It's straight China Harbour Engineering Company. So now this government plans to expand the highways to a whole new level. So currently, the highway had stopped in Maypen, but then they built it from Maypen to Mandeville, which is the section we are on now. And they plan to build it from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. It's not going through Balaclava anymore inland. It's going to St. Elizabeth by Black River, Hodges by Black River. And then from there, it's going to go to Montego Bay via Mount Pelion. But it's also going to go to Negril on the south coast. So you're going to have a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay as the original design, just the alignment changed. Then you're going to have a highway from Kingston to Negril. And then on the north coast now, the highway stops in Ocho Rios, or just on the outskirts, Miami Bay. It's going to be extended from there to Trelawney. And although this hasn't been announced yet, it's going to happen. You're going to have a highway from Trelawney to Montego Bay. So the original plan has been modified and taken to a whole new level. But this is what Jamaica needs. Yes, it's a toll road and you have to pay, but the convenience and the time that you save, and the old main roads are not maintained properly. So you have potholes. This is the future for Jamaica. Connect it. Jamaica needs to connect all its major towns, etc. via a highway like this. So you can get from Kingston to Mandeville in no time. The economic benefits far outweigh the cost of building the highways. But also with the cost of building the highway, remember it's a toll road, so you're going to be collecting toll to pay back for the building of the highway. So that's covered. So it's a win-win for everybody. So those are the plans that have been announced for the expansion of Highway 2000. But as we said earlier, it's a toll road. So I'm sure more sections will be built in time. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Now we're exiting the highway here and going on to the Melrose Hill bypass.